Hello dear students, today we are going to study about a division of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, so how can we divide a 4-digit number by 1 digit? Okay, so it is very easy to divide if you know the multiplication tables well. So those who are not studied the tables from 1 to 10, they must study the table. Without knowing the table, doing division and also the multiplication is very difficult. Understand? So that all of you have to study what the multiplication table. Okay. So I already told you about what writing the tables regularly. Okay. If you are writing a table, that means if you are writing the table of 6 or 7 or 8, that like that difficult table 5 times per day, it will be helpful to recognize or recall or do the division and multiplication without any difficulty. Understand? So what you have to do is take a rough book and write the table. For example, most of the students are having difficulty in the table of 7, 6 like that. Maybe some students are having difficulty in 4th table. So you have to study the tables too. Understand? So write the table 2, 3 or 4 times per day. Then it will be helpful you to learn all of these things. Okay. So 1 to 10 you have to study. There is no excuse in that. If you don't know this table, this thing seems to be difficult. Understand? So division of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So take an example of a simple number. Taking 8, 6, 5. 1 divided by 3. Okay, so I'm going to divide this number 8651. This is a 4-digit number by 3. Okay, so 8651 divide by 3. Okay, when you are writing this way, what is we are going to do? 8651 divide by 3. Listen, 8651 divided by 3. This is the first way thing we have to write. So I am going to divide this each number. Okay. So what is my first number? Here it is 8. So we are going to divide this number. Okay. You have to check with the first number. This is actually the divisor. You can see that the divisor is 3 here. The first number is 8. So this number is what greater than this one. Isn't it? 8 is more than 3. So we can divide 8. Okay. So how many times of 3 is 8? We know that 8 is not belongs to the 3's table, isn't it? We know that 3 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? So you can see that 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are what 9, isn't it? So 8 is between what this 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So which one we have to take? If you are taking 3 3s are 9, it will be more than 8, isn't it? So we have to just take the number before this one. Understand? We have to just take the number before, because 8 is not in the table of 3. But we have to take what we have to do? We have to take just the number just before this number. Okay, so we have to take, then only we can subtract it. If the number is not belongs to the table of our divisor, we have to take the number that comes before this number. Understand? So we will get a 2 3s are 6. This is easy. You all know that this one is easy. So 2 3s are 6, you will get 8 minus 6. What is the answer? 8 minus 6. Difference of 8 and 6 is what? 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we can check with this 2. Can we? No, because 2 is less than this divisor. So we cannot divide this 2, because it is already 1 3s are 3. It will be more than 3. 1 times of 3 is also is already more than this 2. Easily. So that what we have to do? What is our next step? If we cannot divide with 2, we have to take the next number. That is what 6. 6 will comes to, you have to write the 6. Understand? You have to take the next number. Okay. So it's become 26. Now how many times of 3 is 26? 26 is not belongs to what 3's table, but we have to take a number before that one. Easily. So we know that 3's 7's are 21. The 3's table, if you know the 3's table, you know that 3 into 7, 3 7's are 21, 3 8's are 24. 3 8's are, I am writing that one. 3 8's are 24. Okay. 3 8's are 24. 3 9's are 27. Isn't it? So 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Which one we have to take? We have to take 3 8s are 24 because it is 26 is 3 9s are 27. It is more than 26. So we need to take 3 8s are 24. Okay. So 8 3s are 24. Okay. Then subtract 6 minus 4. Here 6 minus 4 2. 2 minus 2 0. Okay. Now we have to write this 5 here. Okay. 5. Now 25. Again you can see that 3 8s are 24, isn't it? 3 8s are 24. We can write that one 25. So again 8 come, 8 3s are 24. Okay, again subtract 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 4 1 you will get. Okay, 1 5 minus 4 1 we will get. Again one more number is there, isn't it? What is that our number? That is again that is what? 1 we cannot divide with 3, so we have to write this one. So 1 is here, it will come. You can see that 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are what? 12. So which one we have to take? 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 11 minus 9. What is the answer? 2. Okay, I am writing here. Okay, 2. We will get it 2 as the. What is this one? Again, we don't have any number. So 11 minus 9, we will get what? 2 we will get. That is what our remainder. Okay. So our division is over because we don't have any other number here. 2 we cannot divide with the 3. So this is our answer 2883. So we can check whether our answer is correct or not. By what? You already know. This we already studied. How can we check our division? Isn't it? So I'm just erasing this part. Okay. So I'm going to check my division. This is also very important. Whether the answer I got is correct or not. How I am checking? What is what we have to do to check our answer is correct or not? We are checking by multiplying the divisor with the quotient and adding the remainder. Easily. So what is our? Then what we will get? We will get the dividend. We have to get the dividend. So we have to multiply our divisor with the what? Is quotient, and when we add the remainder, we have to get what? We have to get the dividend. If we are getting only, our answer is correct. So I'm going to check it. So I am multiplying the 3. That is the divisor with the quotient I got 2883. Okay, and adding, but after that I need to add the remainder. First I have to multiply, then add. Okay, first I am going to multiply. Okay, so 8651 is our what? 8651. Okay, so we have to get what? 8651, isn't it? So I am erasing that one. Okay, 8651 I have to get after adding this one. Okay, so let me check it. Okay, so I'm multiplying here. Okay, with 3 into 3. Okay, 3 3s are 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Isn't it? 3 8s are 24. Carry over 2. 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26. Isn't it? Okay. Carry over 2 again. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. Okay. Now I got 8649. So 8649 plus what are the remainder? So 8649 plus 2. Plus 2 I have to add again. Okay, plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? 11. Carry over 1. 4 plus 1 5. 8 6 8. 8651. So what I got? 8651. That is what our dividend, isn't it? So my division is correct. This is the way we are checking the answer. Understand? So this is the way we have to check the answer whether it is correct or not. Okay. So this is the division of 4-digit number. After finding the answer, you can check your division. In sometimes some questions it will be given divide and check your answer. That time you must do these things also. Then only you will get a full mark. Divide and check your answer. Some questions it only is written as divide. Then that time you can just divide. If you want to check it, you can check it also. But it will be waste of time. If you are not sure about the answer, you can check it also. There is no you can check any time, no problem. But in the some questions it is you must check the answer. Understand that the question it is given as divide and check your answer. That time you have to divide and you have to show your checking also. Okay, understand? So this is the way we are checking. Okay. Okay. One more example. This one I am writing purposefully because I will explain you what will happen. This kind of questions may come. The time you won't get confused. So this I'm taking 6 3 1 6 divided by 6. Okay, the bigger number. Okay, so 6 3 1 6, isn't it, divided by 6. Okay, so going for the usual division, you can see that the same number it is there, so you can divide it. 1 6 are 6, isn't it? So 6 is there. So 1 6 are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Okay, so what is our next step? We cannot divide 0. Then I am writing 3. Okay, 3 comes here. We divide this 3? Can we divide? We can't divide, isn't it? So that time what do we have to do? We have to take again one more number, isn't it? 1 also we have to take, because we cannot, after subtracting we go to 0 and we wrote 3. That's also we cannot divide. So we have to write what the next number 1. Now we can divide, but you can see that two numbers isn't it, two numbers comes down this way. Two numbers comes. In that time, in that case, you have to put a 0 here. That is very important. If two numbers comes together, two numbers from the dividend comes together, if that kind of condition comes, you must put a 0. Okay, understand? So 31 you will get. How many times? So 6 is 31. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. So which one we have to take up? 5 6 are 30. Okay, 5 6 are 30. Then subtract 1 minus 0. 1, 3 minus 0, 0. Okay, 6 we cannot do. So I am writing which number? What is next? 16. 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. So 2 6 are 12. We have to write 6 minus 2. 4, 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the answer. Okay, so how can we check? We have to multiply and add. If you multiply, you can see that 1052 into 6 and multiply this 2 and add the remainder. Then you have to get a divisor. Can we check? 1052 6 2 6 are 12. 2 you will get okay, and 2 6 are 12. Then carry over 1. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Okay, then carry over 3. 6 0 0 plus 3 3. 6 3 1 2 plus 4, you will get a 6 1 3 6 6 3 1 6. So this is the answer. So this is the way we are checking our answer. And one more thing I have to say, that when you do the division, that time I told you which is the condition when we are putting 0 on the quotient, is it? When you two numbers together comes down, that time you have to put 0. And one more condition is there. When you are subtracting, the subtraction is, actually we are subtracting 4 minus 6 like that, sorry, 6 minus 4 like that. That time you will get a 2. If it is subtracting, we are getting the number in the division. That time no problem. But if any number comes from the dividend, okay, and that we cannot do division and no other number is there, that time also we have to put 0. Okay, that make you all confused. So if that kind of question comes, then that time I will explain you. That time also we are putting the 0. Okay, two times we have to put the 0. Okay, if that kind of questions comes, then that time I will explain to you how we are doing it. Okay, so this is the usually the division. Okay, so all of you study the tables and do the division. Okay, thank you all.